Hey cuties! Today's video is going to be about skincare. I get so many questions about my skin, how I keep my skin looking clear, looking flawless. Oh, I did flawless. I'm an alien. My skin is definitely not flawless. I've worked very hard to achieve my skin goals, and as you guys know, I do have a skin condition. I was diagnosed with peridoxal dermatitis when I was about 14 or 15 years old, and I have lived through it. I still have it, but I do keep it under control. If you want to watch my skincare video on what I do use on my skin, you can watch that. But I have found something that is just amazing for me, and it is the PMD. You guys, this is so amazing. I've heard so many people and beauty gurus rave about this microdermabrasion system, and oh my gosh, I was kind of scared to use it because I do have a skin condition, but this is so soft, and you don't have to use it just for your skin condition. It's also used if you have fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, enlarged pores, basically a dry skin, because I have dry skin on my hands a lot. I do use lots of lotions, but this really does take that away. This is good for like all skin, everything, and I have been in love with this. This is like my new favorite thing. I'm always kind of scared to use skin type things because of my skin condition, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. If you're not familiar with a microdermabrasion, it's basically a procedure that you would have to get done by a doctor, and it's kind of an expensive procedure, so to say, and if you don't have the money for that, and if you want clear, fresh, beautiful skin, the PMD is definitely a cheaper version of that, and you'll get better results than you would a microdermabrasion for like a fraction of the price. This thing, and you can also do it at home. I know a lot of people don't really want to leave the house to do all that, and you can just do this at home yourself. It's safe. There's many different compartments that I'll show you later on in this video, and I love this. Pretty well, in a nutshell, this basically removes your dead skin and does so much more, but for me, I love it to remove the dead skin and make your skin so smooth that basically no other product is really going to complete as well as the PMD does. And I'll just give you guys a closer look at it. See how sleek it is? Like, it's so simple and I love it. Easy on and off switch, and I really liked about it, so you can see that there's a charger for it. Look at this. There's like a mini little charger for it. It just plugs right in. So I was like, oh my god, this is definitely like my cell phone. Like, I feel like it's my cell phone.
There are many different discs you can put into your PMD. The blue ones are for more sensitive skin, and the green ones are for more tougher skin. And I love the options of being able to put different types of discs into your PMD, because not everybody has the same skin or same skin type in general at all. So I love the options.
Flat-topped ones, or bigger ones, I should say, those are for your body. So you can use them on your knees, on your hands, on your arms. Thinner, smaller ones are obviously for your face. I have a bigger one on for the body. One very important tip when you're using a new disc, make sure you get it started just by rubbing it on the palm of your hand for about 7 seconds. You see this? It just screws right on. So easy. And when I simply turn it on, it's not that loud, actually. I thought it was going to be like, ah, but... And all you're going to do is you're just going to place it on your skin, and once you feel that suction, see that suction almost? It's sort of like a vacuum, and it doesn't hurt or anything like that. Glide it up. Like that. And it's really easy to do. Like, I just keep doing it over and over again. All over my hands, sorry. It really does feel like a vacuum. Like it's suctioning right in. And I can feel it working away. I absolutely love this. And I'm just gonna glide this up. Of course, I'm going to do this on my forehead to show you, just because, as you guys know, I don't wear cover-up foundation or anything like that, so I have a clean surface. That's a main thing, is you have to work with a clean surface. So don't have makeup on when you're going to do this. Make sure you're freshly out of the shower or freshly washed up, and just glide it across, and you will see results, and this thing is magic. This was also seen on the Dr. Oz show and the Doctors show, if you guys are familiar with those. I watch those like all the time, so when I first saw this was on Dr. Oz, I was just intrigued right off the bat because I really do respect a lot of the things that he says, and I really do follow up on his techniques and everything, advice and everything like that. If you guys try this out, let me know how it is, how your thoughts on it and everything like that, because I love it so much and so many other people love it around the world, and I just want to know your guys' thoughts too. Why would you want to spend all that money and go and pay all the money for somebody to do a microdermabrasion treatment on your face or skin, body, when you can do it yourself, safe, and very, very, very effective, so much more effective than the microdermabrasion treatment, really easy to accomplish. So whether you have a skin condition or not, this isn't for people that have skin conditions. I'm just saying that even though I do have a skin condition, I can still use this and get the same results as somebody who has different types of skin than me. I don't want to say perfect skin because nobody has perfect skin. I get so many questions per day asking me about my skincare, what foundation I use, what's my skincare, how do I get my skin so smooth, and really I don't wear foundation. I don't even own foundation. I don't wear concealer. I basically don't wear face makeup at all other than blush and bronzer. So I just wear face makeup just right here. That's it. I struggled with peridoxal dermatitis breakouts for so long. My skin was horrendous. It's red, bumpy, blotchy, itchy. It was so painful. People would stare at me, and it was all over my face. It was protruding. It was the worst experience of my life, and I dealt with that for a few years without being treated for it or without going to a dermatologist for it. And it took me so long to finally go to the dermatologist and have them prescribe something to me and have it work so well. And ever since then, I don't do anything else on my face other than what my dermatologist recommended. And then when I came across the PMD, I was so excited because I mean, my skin is great, but this improved it even more. So I was like, how is this even possible? Because my skin is the best it can be, but it was like 70% better. And I was seeing smoothness. Everything was just so great, even on my hands. And I'm just so excited. I'm so thankful for this product. I know a lot of you guys ask me what my skin problems are, or how everything with skin, so that's why I wanted to share my secret with you guys. I've only been using it for about a month, but I've seen results like right off the bat, and I wanted to recommend it to you guys because I get so many questions and I just want to share things with you guys that I love. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.